Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going to demonstrate you how I achieved through Python script. So I'll just show you what I did and later I will show you how I did it. So okay, let me restart my computer so that I can show you how it will work once my system gets opened for the first time. So I'm restarting right now. I apologize, usually it does not take that much time, but today it is taking, so really sorry about that. Okay, it's opened, so let me unlock it. Okay. So I saved a lot of time when I did that, so you will see. Ignore this is just a antivirus notification. Great things happen, right? So here's your Netflix, here is your GogoAnime, and then your Crunchyroll. So I like it. So yeah. So now I'll show you how I achieved this. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's write the code for it. So I'll show you how I achieved it. Let me just open my editor. Okay, so I'm going to use one module. Then one method, simple one, open. So here I just need to provide the URLs. So whatever you need, you can just copy and paste. So I need Crunchyroll, I need GogoAnime. You can also try Hulu if you watch that. Then Netflix. Okay, so like this, you just need to save it. So I'm saving it on my desktop. Give it a name. So I'll demonstrate you by running this one. Okay, press F5 or you can go to here run, or you can double click. So I'm pressing F5 and voila, it's working. So good. You can provide any URL that you need. Okay, so it's up to you. For me it was I usually watch anime on these websites only. So yep. So what you need to do now, so there is you need to provide this script to our Windows startup folder. So this is the command to browse your folder easily. You don't have to navigate. You can just type shell :startup. It will open up this window. So you just need to copy and paste here and then close it. If you restart your computer, I have already showed you that. So if you restart your computer, it will open up a Google Chrome, whatever your default browser is, and then you can see all your applications. So you don't have to waste any time opening your Google, then type Crunchyroll, opening it, then type Netflix. So it will save you a lot of time. You can do anything you want with it. I have used it for my purpose. You can use it for your purposes. So that was all. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you.